to learn any of these tricks, drop a request in the comment section. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to use one or all of these tricks in your jump rope combos. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, share it with your friends, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our content. Until next time, remain beautiful, handsome, be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.